Now let's look into index method. It returns the smallest index of a specified element. So last time we have seen if we used count, then it will give us number of occurrences of an element in a container. But in case of index, it will give the index. And if the element has been repeated, then it will give the smallest one. So let's just copy paste the same data, and let's start with the string. Okay. So we have string hello, and then we will say dot index. And suppose we want to see the index of L. Now L is repeated twice at index 0, 1, and 2. So this is at index 2, and then 0, 1, 2, 3. So this L is at index 3. So let's see if we give dot index with L, what is the output? So the output is the smallest of this. So index 2 and 3 both has the element L or the character L, but when we use index, it will return the smallest. Please note, just like count, it is applicable for string, list, and tuple, and not supported by set and dictionary. So just like we did it for string, you can try the same for list and tuple. So let's do it quickly. So suppose we have this list, and then we will, rather than count, I'll simply replace the count with index. So it is giving 1 because the list index is 1 here, and it is not taking 3 and 4. Okay. Similarly, you can try for tuple also. So this is pretty easy, right? Dot index and say 1. So the index of 1 is 0. And anyways, there's no repetition here, right? So it's pretty straightforward.